right, mamas, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Myasia Chanel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And yes, this video right here is going to be a life update. I was gonna try and put up a vlog, but my vlogging, like the vlog I did have for you guys, I didn't like it. It looked at how that's mess. I felt like I didn't look how I wanted it to look. That was like not the type of stuff I wanted to put up there. So I was like, you know what, let me just update my mamas on what's going on in my life. So I figured out, like, I'm super glam right now. I have my real hair out. I'm about to get ready to go to work actually in a few minutes. So I'm like, you know what, I got some time to spare. Let me just get this life update video up here on this channel. But yes, I'm back. I'm giving y'all a life update. I'm letting y'all know what's going on in my life, how I'm feeling, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in knowing what the hell I got going on, keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's just get started with the life update. All right, so let's just do this. So currently right now I am 22 weeks pregnant, y'all. I'm 22 weeks pregnant in 5 whole days. I'm about to be 23 weeks literally this week. And I'll be 6 months soon. I feel like truthfully my pregnancy is going so fast. Like, it's going so fast. I honestly am enjoying it though. I'm enjoying him in here. It's going by super fast. I'm gonna show y'all how my bump looks just so you guys can see. I'm not gonna give y'all too much because once I go into my 3rd trimester, I'm gonna do like my second trimester update. But yes, baby boy is moving a lot. Like, he moves a whole lot now. I feel it all the time. He's super active. He's really active at night, I'll say. Like, nighttime is, I guess, when he likes to come alive because he be wilding the fuck out at night. So my kid is super wild at night. What else? All my energy has finally came back, thank the Lord, because I was so tired all the time. And yeah, all my energy is definitely back. So I'm super grateful that my energy has came back now to like the real deal, important stuff. So it is the month of September. Y'all know September in New York City, all the kids are mandated to go to school. So I've been like just taking my kids to school from where I live, which is extremely stressful. It's very hard because I live very far from where their school is. If you're wondering why I have not changed their school to where I live, it's a super duper long story and it's very complicated to do that. So yes, I travel from where I live now to where their school is at to take them to school. So I will say that sometimes just takes so much of the energy out of me, and sometimes I don't go like back home because I'm like, fuck, if I have to pick them up from school, I'm not going to travel all the way back home. So I don't do that. I also went back to working full-time, so I am at work just grinding, getting everything together so that I'm financially prepared, like more prepared basically for when I do have the baby and my other kids are going to be also taken care of and I don't have to worry about that. So I have been working actually a lot, and yeah, I'm sorry I'm out of breath. Yeah, I know pregnant people who are just like always out of breath. It's so fucking annoying, but we're literally always out of breath. And also my nose is super congested. I know this video is going to be like all over the place because I'm telling y'all about the school and working, and now I'm telling y'all that my nose is congested. But yeah, my nose is super congested, so that also leads to me being out of breath. But anyway, though, back to that. So it's a lot, like the balancing of taking them to school, trying to film. I'm trying to stay consistent on my channel because I really do want to keep you guys super duper updated, but it's very hard. I'll be honest, it's really hard for me to do this, but I'm so committed to getting it done. Besides that, I'm also in the process of getting ready to move. I'm really trying to find a place to move. I want to move within the next up and coming weeks, which is really stressful because some of these brokers are like absolutely ridiculous. They want you to like sign application fees, but you have never seen an apartment. Like, nah, I'm not doing that. I'm not signing anything that I have not seen how it actually and physically looks. You're wilding. So I'm just like trying to get that situated and getting ready for the move, preparing for the baby. I really want to stay in New York City. I'm not going to say which borough, but I definitely want to stay in the New York City area. But I don't know how it's looking. Your girl may possibly be a New Jersey resident as well. So I'm just like trying to narrow it down between New York City or New Jersey. I don't know which one yet that I'm going to do. I am kind of leaning more towards like New Jersey. I'll be 1000% honest, but that's still like up and down in the works. So that's just that. So these are like the main things I'm really going through, y'all. I'm like going through so much real life shit, but I am trying to be consistent, and I do want to come back to my channel. So I said this extra time that I do have right now, let me just get up a little bit earlier, do my makeup, do my hair, listen to some music, get in a groove, so I can put up some content for you guys, because I've been missing so, like on my social medias, I've been missing here, I've been missing on Instagram, TikTok. I just really want to get back to things while I do have this energy, because I know leading towards the 3rd trimester I'm going to be super duper tired. So yes, I am back. I'm thinking my next video after I post this life update, because this is going to go up literally the same day I'm filming it today, which is a Sunday. I'm going to post I think like my body care type of products for pregnancy, like a body care product type of vibe, pregnancy edition. I don't know what I'm gonna name it, but it's gonna be something along those works. So yes, I want you guys to definitely check out that video. But this one, I definitely just wanted to show like what the fuck's been going on, and like the real deal, like real life happens and it hits you, y'all. It really hits you. But on another note, let me just show y'all these cute little baby pieces I have. It's a super quick little haul because it's not a lot, but I figured I'll just add this in here. So I got my little baby boy these cute mittens. They're so cute. You got black, you got gray, and you have the white with the black stripes. I thought it was so cute. This is like a one size fits all type of vibe, so hopefully these are not too big for his hands because they look pretty big. To me, that looks more for like once he's like 2 months or so. I also got the hats that go with it. It's the same style. It's the gray. It's the what is this, like a dark charcoal. Actually, it's not black. I'd call this black. It's actually charcoal. And then you have the white with the black stripes. You could pair it with the mittens, and this size I want to say is for 0 to 6 months. So, but he probably won't wear this until he's like 2 months because it looks really big. I could tell it's very big. I did get him a preemie outfit. So this is just what I plan on putting in his hospital bag. I got it from H&M. It was $14.99. So it comes with this bodysuit. It looks like this. Is so cute. It's a nice blue color. It has like the quarter length sleeves. He'll probably wear this in the hospital, like maybe a little bit after he's born. I'll probably put this on him. And then it comes with these cute pants. It comes with a hat. The hat I think I left downstairs, but it does come with a little beanie for you to put on your head as well. I just don't have it up here, and I'm too lazy to go down there and go get it. And it comes with these cute little pants, and then like I said, the hat, and it was $14.99, so $15. That will be going in his hospital bag. I'll be taking that with me. And then I just got another pack of like, it's a 2-pack of just long sleeve shirts. This is preemie as well. It's the blue and the stripe one, and it has the buttons on the side. This I'll probably use during the day because I'm not gonna hold you at nighttime when you have a newborn. Like, listen, you're not trying to be buttoning up shit. You're tired and you want to go to sleep. And the price for the 2-pack is $9.99, and then this is the other little shirt that came with it. So it's super cute. So I'm just finishing up all like his little preemie stuff to put in his bag, so I can get that just like out the way and don't have to worry about the preemie stuff. I do like to buy preemie clothes just because in the beginning they are small, and I hate when the clothes just swallow them up. So stay tuned for more preemie items that I'm definitely going to show. As well, I'm going to show you like the bottles, the blankets and stuff like that. I will be getting that this week, so that'll probably be also another video I'll show later this week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this life update / this little baby haul, and you guys just know why I've been missing and you're understanding. But definitely I'm coming back, and the videos will be back up here. So like always, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Mama, stay blessed and stay safe. Later.